Trying to figure out technology can be really frustrating. You start something new and suddenly you need 10 different tools to make it work. It's overwhelming and honestly, it makes you want to give up. You don't really need more confusion. You need simplicity. So what if there was a way to get results without the tech hassles? Something that's set up for you, so you don't have to spend hours figuring it out. Because earning another income doesn't mean you have to be a computer scientist. It should just work. I discovered a program in April 2024 that totally changed my life. I only work 2 hours a day on my business. I make 100% profit and I work to an automated system that runs for me in the background 24/7. I set it up once and forget about it. It even works for me when I'm not online. If you would like further information regarding my 6-figure blueprint, put a ready in the comments and I'll gladly get back to you with all those details.